Workers looking for more job security could soon be the big winners of new workplace reforms being proposed by the federal government. It wants to change the definition of what constitutes a casual, offering a pathway to permanent employment. But in doing so, they may have just picked a fight with business groups.
Business groups have been prepared to pull apart the government's next phase of industrial relations reforms. They started a campaign preemptively. Today, plans were released for casual workers.
The situation now will be, if you'd like to switch and you're working permanent hours, the pathway will be open for you.
It's estimated to apply to 850,000 people. Labor is keeping the current rule that if they've been employed for at least 12 months and working regularly, they can ask to be made permanent. What's new is for long-term casuals. If they believe they're now working more consistently, they can seek permanency after 6 months. Those losing loading but picking up leave won't get back pay.
If you're a student, you probably want to keep the casual hours. If you're supporting a household, your rent's not casual, your bills aren't casual.
It's something the unions have been pushing for a very long time.
Criticism has been quick from business, who claim the current system works.
Why are they reacting to this false narrative put forward by the unions that casual jobs are in some way inherently insecure?
We want individuals to be able to work the way they want to work, not the way in which certain industrial or political parties want them to work.
The government is also looking to address underpayment of wages and says it'll close a loophole so labour hire firms can't undercut wages, a reform known as same job, same pay. This element is one of the most contentious, but exactly what's on the table won't be revealed until the legislation is finalised later this year.
I really urge the government to get the detail out there, get the legislation out there so that businesses and unions can properly engage on these.
The government was forthcoming about other details today, a healthy boost to the budget bottom line. The Treasurer says a better than expected surplus of more than $20 billion is set to be banked for last financial year.
It builds a buffer against this international uncertainty that we are confronting.
Jim Chalmers also says it'll allow for potentially more cost of living help in future budgets. Ashley Raper for 10 News First.